Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the currency within the Gate.io application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Gate.io app on your device, and after you have logged in, you will be taken into your homepage. Now, if you wish to change the currency that is used to display the price of all of the cryptocurrencies, then simply tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Then you can tap on the arrow button alongside your username, which will now take you into the user center page. From here, if you tap on preferences, you will now see the exchange rate option. You can switch this by tapping on the currently chosen option. Now you will see the various different currencies that are available within the application that you can choose from. Just tap on your preferred currency and it will be changed right away. You can come back to this menu to make your desired change as many times as you want. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your currency on the Gate.io application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.